people don't know what you go through. They don't know what you had to struggle through, but they have a lot to say about your blessings and what you have and what they think you have, right? Because sometimes it's just their projection of how they see you, and sometimes it might not be accurate. But if it is, right, you know, they see you in your winning season, they see something about you, not realizing either one, all that you had to go through to get there, and two, why you received those blessings. I'm so thankful for all my blessings. I don't take nothing for granted. Every single day I wake up and I'm thankful for every single thing I own, every single thing I have, positive energy. Like, I literally get up in the morning and the first thing I do is thank my guides, my angels, the Most High for everything. I mean, literally my health, my body, air in my lungs, my fur child who comes and greets me in the morning. I'm so blessed to have him in my life and have that beautiful unconditional love and have him still healthy and here with me. I am thankful for the bed that I lie on, the heat that I'm in. This morning I woke up and I was just like thankful for clean clothes and my pajamas. Like, I woke up and the first thing I smelled was like that beautiful laundry clean smell and the fabric softener, and I was just like, I feel just so blessed for having that. I don't take anything for granted, right? So I'm very, very grateful for my blessings, right? A lot of people want to receive and they want to know how people are winning, and they always have something to say about other people's blessings, not understanding that they are giving, they're givers, right? I'm not a taker. I'm not just like, give me, give me, give me, come give me. And I'm not selfish and greedy, right? And I don't put negative energy and I don't create negative karma for myself. No, I stand in my purpose, right? I stay in gratitude. I know the assignment. I know how to give and how to volunteer my services and be of service, right? At times, even when my own world was falling apart, I spoke here even on YouTube about my own struggles, right? Of losing my mom and then going through a sewer flood. And I was struggling through my own stress and suffering through PTSD, which is a stress anxiety disorder. Even at those times when I myself was at like a low place, I still gave back. And I was still like, how can I help you? If I saw someone struggling, I was still there for them. If I saw a friend or a neighbor that needed me and I know that they're not able to see things at a higher perspective and see things the way I see things, I was like, I gotta be there for this person because I know that they need me, right? I was that leader for them when they couldn't be for themselves. I am that voice for others when they can't find their voice. Even though I was in the ocean, like just barely trying to get up myself, to be honest, I still was so mentally and emotionally strong that I was able to still carry other people to the other side of the ocean. Like, that's how strong I am. But it's not only my strength, it's my strength because I'm spiritually protected. I'm favored. And even when things are not going right for me, they're still going right, is because of that. I walk in service. Whenever I can give back, I give back. I'm not selfish and I'm like, oh no, I must keep it for me. I'm not a hoarder, right? I'm not greedy. I'm not trying to accumulate people and accumulate things and take it all for me. I'm always like, how can I show up for others? How can I give back? And because of that, blessing always comes through. Why? That's why. Because I walk in faith. I walk knowing they got me. They got me. I might not see it, but I know it. And because I believe it so strongly, and because it's been proven to me time and time again, right? Boom, it comes to me. So a lot of people want blessings. They want favored, but they don't want to do the work, right? You have to be able to put in the work, not only on yourself to become a better person and to become a person of light and to live in the light of the Most High, right? But you also have to be of service. What are you giving to receive these blessings? Like everybody's like, I want, gimme, take. And what are you giving to deserve that? What are you giving? What are you giving to society? What are you giving to another? How you show up for others? How do you love others? What type of karma are you sending out there? What type of energy are you throwing towards others? Are you sending spiritual daggers? You know, envy and hate and jealousy and hating on other people's uniqueness and other people's abilities and their goals and their strives? Are you trying to destroy that because you feel less than? Are you trying to help others elevate? And if you're living in that darkness and you're sending off darkness and then you're wondering why things aren't happening for you, that is why. People don't understand how energy works and how karma works. A lot of people think that they can do all kind of hellish stuff and just send negative energy to people and just be envious and just be arrogant and just be selfish in this world, and that beautiful things are going to come to them and they're going to be highly favored and they're going to be blessed. And that's not how it works. You have to give a little to receive a little. And so for those people who want to hate on certain things, just understand that those people, they receive blessings, they receive high favor, they spiritually protected, they spiritually strong, they mentally strong because they put in the work. We put in the work to work on our character, to work on our development, to work on ourselves, so we are not bleeding and spilling all over other people, right? I already said I come from very humble backgrounds. When I had nothing, I was still rooting for everyone else. There was never a time I can ever think of in my life that I ever looked at another person that had more than me and was like, oh, I've never been that person. I'm always like, I'm the first up there applauding everyone. And when people are low and they're down, I'm like, I got you. I'm gonna lift you up, because that's how powerful my energy is. And it took me a long time to really understand that and understand how powerful my energy is and where does it come from and how other people can dim it. And that's why I'm so protective of my energy, and I'm very protective of my circle and who I let in, because I had to learn that the hard way. I had to learn that some people are not rooting for me, right? Some people are really trying to belittle me, degrade me, and it's all because of envy and jealousy. And I'm teaching you guys how to not let that hinder you and dim your light. And whatever a person of darkness does not have for themselves, they want to strip it away, and they want to be destructive, and they want to take away from another, right? So don't let that happen to you. Do not let that happen to you. Don't let anyone ever dim your light. Do not let anyone try to take away something you've built, or try to shame you for something you have, or blessings that you have. If you have blessings in your life, that means you work hard to achieve it. There's a lot of people who want to get blessings by stepping all over others, or by stealing it, or taking it, or being an opportunist. And those people usually get their karma. And there's a whole nother other type of people like myself who built it from the ground up, who put in the work, who put in the time, who paid their dues, right? And then they get blessed. And then other people are like, but I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand how this person is either still winning. I don't understand how they're still so positive when such negative things happen to them. I don't understand how I send daggers their way and throw words and spill cruelty and words of hate and jealousy, and it just doesn't affect them. And it's like they don't understand, right? And that might be you. They might be doing it to you, and you're still standing like, I don't understand. What do I have to do to take this person down? And it's like, baby, you can't take me down because I am favored. I am favored. The Most High God is walking with me, and they're blessing me. Blessing me. Every time you throw a dagger my way, it's going to ricochet and go right back to you. Be careful of who you mess with on this earth. You don't know how spiritually protected they are. You don't know how spiritually gifted they are. So be careful how you treat people. It's super important, and it actually creates more hellish, more hell for you on this planet by you creating your own darkness and your own karma. People who throw spiritual daggers and hate towards other people wind up actually imprisoned and in chains of the hate that they send others. What they wish upon other people their downfall, and they hope like they don't get this and they hope they don't get that, that kind of energy, they usually wind up tied up in their own web that they weave. And woof, I got stories about that. That's for another video though. We're gonna leave it at that for today.